Hey everybody, I said that I was going to make some quick videos and talk about the roller coaster slip and slide projectile poster project. So here we go. First thing you need to do, you need to talk about point B, which is the bottom of the hill. Up here is A. You need to get a height there. You can't do that first until you know how fast you're going here. How fast you go there is controlled by two things. Number one, the radius of the curve at the bottom. Alright, because if that radius is too big, it'd be almost like going straight. If it's too tight, it'd be really a violent turn. So that number needs to be picked by you and be between 30 and 40. Alright, so pick a number between 30 and 40 meters. If you go towards the big side, 38, 39, 40, that means you can go a lot faster. And as you know, everybody wants to go faster. The other thing you need to pick is you need to pick your apparent weight. Apparent weight is Fn. How much normal force? Because when you're riding on here, the ride's going to push up really, really hard to make you change your direction. Fg points down, Fn points up. You need that to curve you up. How big do you want that number to be? Well, Fn needs to be somewhere between 2 and 4 Gs. So how many times you make that bigger than Fg is up to you. I don't know what that number is. For this demonstration, for this example, I'm going to say you make it 3 times as big. So it's going to be 3 Fgs. Fn is going to equal 3 Fgs. Now remember, Fg is m times g. So Fn equals, in my example, 3 mgs. Now, you are moving in a circular pattern. You're moving in a curve here as you go around that radius. So that means your net force is a centripetal force. What forces are acting on you? Well, these two. Fn points into the circle, so it's positive. Fg points out, so it's going to be negative. Now, you already told me, or we told each other, that Fn is going to be 3 mgs. So Fn comes out, 3 mg goes in, plus negative Fg is mg. And that equals net centripetal force, which we have the formula for is mv squared over r. You can do a little math over here. 3 mgs minus an mg is going to be 2 mgs. And that equals mv squared over r. You pick the radius, the m's cancel out, and you can solve for v. Now you know how fast you're going to go at the bottom of the hill with the amount of apparent weight you pick and the radius that you picked. That's how you solve for the velocity.